After 8 years on YouTube, should have seen this coming. I've had stolen content over the years. I think any creator on YouTube, even like some of my videos that have under 100 views, I have found stolen. It's astonishing just what goes on. It's just like, it wasn't that popular of a video, it was kind of stupid and no one liked it. Steal it, I guess? But this one's a bit new. So, Shawn Woods recently featured a 3D printed mousetrap made by one of his viewers. Now, this viewer, let's see, User King Moy, let's pop on over there. Oh, it's me. And this still has not updated. That profile picture has never updated, despite the fact that it shows up everywhere else. But, yeah, so it's in the description. He has it even posted here. And it's not that great of a trap. From a practicality standpoint, it's really complicated. It's hard to set up. I have an improved model, but it's just not all that great at all. But apparently, it must have been great enough. I mean, people, steal and kill for a $5 bill. So apparently this was good enough for somebody to try to pretend to be me, despite all the information above. And not counting the people who didn't click the like button, 240 some people have followed in this. Now a few of them have, called him out on this, including myself. But it's a sort of astounding to me how quickly and just how soon people just jump onto something just because the first name's the same. Don't check out anything else, just, oh, that guy's name's Zach. Must be him then. When, no, it's really not. I mean, I even have version 2. It's loaded up into Simplify 3D, and look at that. It's another Zach. Oh, could I be turning into the other Zach that claimed to be me and I'm not really me? But, here's the improved one, and it's got the larger diameter holes and a couple of other fixes to it. This is just one part of it. So, yeah, everything is fine, really. It's not enough for me to worry about too much. I just kind of want to dispel the whole he made it thing. Just because, hey, you know what? I'm a tiny channel. Very tiny channel. And if I manage to do something somewhat enjoyable, I'd like to have, the one day of credit for it. It's just an enjoyment standpoint. And the fact that it's sort of interesting. This guy's had his YouTube account for a while, and yet it's incredible in its own right just how he leapt onto this. It's like, oh, Shawn said Zach in the video, my channel name has Zach in it. I'm going to claim this as mine. It's almost as if he's been waiting for this for years and jumped on it. So I'll give him props in his own right there. That was very smooth. Be a great politician. Well, only if he was as good at getting out of responsibility as he is getting into it. But, just wanted to throw this out there. A quick update turned into a bit more. Probably got a bit rambly because I did it on the fly. It just, it's yet another one of the YouTube community surprises. And not one of the ones that makes you say, hooray, but one of the ones that kind of makes you sigh a bit, rub the back of your neck.